Let's dive into the intricate world of bacon production, where precision and care ensure quality at every step. Ever wondered how that crispy, delicious bacon reaches your plate? The journey of bacon production begins on the farm. Farmers select healthy, robust pigs, ensuring they are raised under stringent welfare standards. The health and quality of these pigs directly impact the final product. These animals are typically raised in spacious environments, allowing them to grow naturally with minimal stress. Farmers closely monitor their diet and health, providing the right nutrients and care. The selection process involves detailed health checks and weight assessments, ensuring only the best pigs move forward. The stakes are high here. Any oversight can affect the entire production line, making this an essential step in delivering top-quality bacon to consumers. Farmers' commitment to raising healthy pigs sets the foundation for a premium product, ensuring the highest standards are met from the very start. Feeding and caring for the pigs is a critical part of the process. Farmers provide a balanced diet tailored to the needs of the animals, promoting healthy growth and optimal meat quality. The pigs have constant access to clean water and are fed a mixture of grains, vitamins, and minerals. Regular health checkups are conducted to prevent diseases and ensure the well-being of the herd. The environment is kept clean and comfortable, reducing stress and promoting natural behaviors. Proper feeding and care are essential for producing high-quality bacon. This meticulous attention to the pig's diet and living conditions ensures they grow healthy and strong, laying the groundwork for the high standards expected in the final product. Once the pigs reach the appropriate size and weight, they are carefully transported to the slaughterhouse. This journey is managed with great care to minimize stress and maintain the pig's health. Specialized transport vehicles are used, equipped with climate control to ensure comfort. Timing is crucial, as prolonged transportation can affect meat quality. Upon arrival, the pigs are given a brief rest period to recover from the journey. This careful handling ensures that the pigs are in the best possible condition before processing. The transition from farm to slaughterhouse is a critical phase, as maintaining the pig's welfare is essential for both ethical reasons and product quality. Proper handling during this stage not only ensures the pig's well-being, but also preserves the meat's integrity and flavor. At the slaughterhouse, the process begins with a thorough inspection and cleaning. Each pig is carefully examined to ensure it meets quality standards. The animals are then cleaned to remove any dirt or contaminants. This step is crucial to maintaining hygiene and quality throughout the production process. Cleanliness is paramount, as any contamination can compromise the entire batch. The pigs are washed using specialized equipment that ensures they are thoroughly cleaned without causing stress or damage. This meticulous cleaning process ensures that only the highest quality pigs move forward in the production line, setting the stage for the subsequent stages of processing. Maintaining high standards during inspection and cleaning is essential for producing safe, high-quality bacon. Once cleaned, the pigs move on to butchering and trimming. Skilled workers or specialized machinery carefully remove the bones, leaving only the prime cuts of meat. This process requires precision to maximize yield and minimize waste. The pork bellies, which will become bacon, are then trimmed to remove any excess fat or imperfections. The goal is to produce a uniform, high-quality product ready for further processing. The efficiency of this step directly impacts the overall productivity and profitability of the production line. Attention to detail is crucial, as even minor errors can affect the final product's quality and appearance. This meticulous work ensures that each pork belly meets the highest standards. The focus on precision and quality during butchering and trimming sets the stage for superior final products. The next step involves enhancing the flavor and tenderness of the pork bellies through dry curing or brining. In dry curing, the bellies are coated with a mixture of salt, sugar, and spices, then left to cure for a specific period. Brining involves soaking the bellies in a solution of water, salt, and other flavorings. Both methods help to tenderize the meat and enhance its flavor. This process is carefully monitored to ensure consistency and quality. The precise formulation of the curing or brining solution is essential to achieve the desired taste and texture. This stage adds significant value to the product, catering to diverse consumer preferences. Proper curing or brining ensures that the bacon is flavorful, juicy, and ready for the next steps in production. After curing or brining, the pork bellies undergo smoking to infuse them with a rich, smoky flavor. The bellies are placed in smoking chambers where they are exposed to wood smoke at controlled temperatures. The type of wood used can impart different flavors, such as hickory, apple, or mesquite. Smoking not only adds flavor but also helps to preserve the meat. The duration and intensity of the smoking process are carefully controlled to achieve the perfect balance of taste and texture. This stage enhances the overall appeal of the bacon, making it a versatile option for various culinary applications. Proper smoking techniques are essential to produce the distinct, rich flavor that bacon lovers crave. Once smoked and cured, the pork bellies are ready to be sliced. Precision slicing ensures uniformity, making the product more appealing and easier to cook. Advanced machinery slices the bacon to the desired thickness, ensuring each piece is consistent. This step is crucial for meeting consumer expectations and maintaining the quality of the product. The sliced bacon is then inspected to ensure it meets the required standards. Proper slicing not only enhances the appearance, but also the usability of the bacon, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes and cooking methods. The attention to detail in slicing ensures that consumers receive a product that is both convenient and high quality. Quality control is a continuous process throughout bacon production, but a final, thorough check ensures the highest standards are met. Each slice of bacon is inspected for weight, size, and appearance. Any pieces that do not meet the standards are removed from the line. This step also involves testing for contaminants and pathogens to ensure food safety. The stakes are high, as any lapse in quality control can lead to product recalls and damage to the brand's reputation. Advanced technology and skilled inspectors work together to maintain the integrity of the product. This rigorous process ensures that only the best bacon makes it to the packaging stage. Maintaining stringent quality control measures guarantees consumer satisfaction and trust in the brand. Once the bacon passes quality control, it is ready for packaging. This step involves sealing the bacon in protective packaging to maintain freshness and extend shelf life. Various packaging methods are used, including vacuum sealing and modified atmosphere packaging, which help preserve the meat without the need for preservatives. Each package is labeled with important information such as weight, sell-by date, and nutritional content. Proper packaging is essential to protect the product during transportation and storage. The efficiency of this step impacts the product's shelf life and the overall production efficiency. Well-packaged bacon is now ready for distribution. The packaging process plays a crucial role in maintaining the quality and safety of the bacon as it makes its way to consumers. The final step in the journey is distribution. The packaged bacon is loaded into refrigerated trucks and shipped to retailers, restaurants, and other customers. Maintaining the cold chain during transportation is crucial to ensure the bacon remains fresh and safe to eat. Logistics teams coordinate the delivery schedules to ensure timely arrivals. The distribution network is vast, reaching markets locally and globally. The efficiency and reliability of this process are vital to meet consumer demand and maintain product quality. From farm to fork, every step in the production process ensures that consumers receive high-quality, delicious bacon. The careful coordination and management of distribution ensure that the final product reaches consumers in perfect condition. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from field to fork. This process combines careful farming practices with modern technology to deliver the crispy, delicious bacon we love. If you want to explore more exciting field to fork stories, watch our next video.